Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am so excited about today's video because I feel like it has been some time coming. I have been wanting to film with this for so freaking long. So basically all over the place there has been this viral cut crease stamp that is just like so cute. It looks like a little has a little puff ball at the end of it. It's very unique looking. I'm actually gonna show you guys what it looks like right here. Here, look at this. It's magic. So basically what it is, it's supposed to be like a perfect cut crease, and you just cut your fucking crease with this bitch. So basically this was a super viral product a little while ago, and I had tried to get my hands on it and I could not find it literally anywhere. And I believe the owner of this, or the creator of this, I believe his name is Jack and Nogueria? I can't speak Spanish. Jack Nogueria Makeup on Instagram, and he has about 70,000 followers, and he's super cool. He's very amazing, and I think that he's basically the one that created this cut crease stamp. I actually had no idea, so it's called I just came to the realization that I might have bought a fake one. It's supposed to look like this, like in that case, but mine came in this. Why the fuck are these fakes getting so fucking good is what I would like to know. They look pretty fucking similar. And the thing is, I could not find this literally anywhere because he, I think, lives in Brazil or something. So I had no idea how to get a hold of this at all. And I had tried to buy it, couldn't buy it, it was sold out. Didn't even know what site to go to buy it, to get it sent to the US. Had no idea. And I finally had searched cut crease stamp virally, and I found the site that had it. And I thought, this is it. I thought this was correct. You guys, I think I got a fake one. I think the premise of the whole thing still, it's like the same thing. It's the same shape, the same build, the same size. It's basically the same thing, but a fake cheaper version of it, because it says that this thing is $100 something, and mine was like $5. No, mine was like $10. Mine is from Huid Beauty. Oh my god, it's like trying to be like Huda Beauty. Fuck, I bought a fake. I'm still gonna try it out because I've been wanting to try this fucker for a long time, and at least we can take it from the grain of salt. That's not the original product, so if it doesn't work as good, we know that it's a fake this time. That is great to know, because all the videos from like the real one look absolutely amazing, so that's why I wanted to try it so much. So we're gonna try it out anyway, even though it is, I guess, a fake product. That sucks. I'm really annoyed. That really pisses me off. So anyway, that's what today's video is going to be. As always, if you guys like this video, if you guys do not like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. You don't need to watch my videos if you don't like me. Why watch a bitch you don't fucking like? But there is the concept of hate watching, which can be fun too. And so if you're hate watching me, what's up, bitch? Anyway, but if you guys do like this video, please go ahead and click like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And if you're new, what's up? I'm MannyMua, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this. Testing this viral cut crease stamp. It feels so funny. I feel like a pirate. So basically, first, of course, we have to have some eyeshadow on, and so today I'm going to be using the Laura Los Angeles Nudie Patootie palette as my eyeshadows. Miss Lorelei. This went on sale this week. So fucking excited for her, or maybe last week. I don't know when this video is actually technically going up, but I'm going to her event tonight, so I thought it would be perfect to film with this and use Miss Nudie Patootie. This is the most fucking beautiful ass neutral palette. Girl, if you're into neutrals, which many of you are, this is the one. We're just going to do a normal, casual crease. We're going to take, what should we take in here? Undressed. And this is going to be going on a Morphe M504 large crease brush. We're just gonna put that into the crease, and we're gonna start to build up our crease colors, because we're gonna do like a half cut crease, like the little videos suggest, or like that I've seen. This color, I would say, ooh, it's like a khaki. This color is like a khaki shade. It's like kind of hard to describe, to be honest. It has like a little bit of yellow undertone, and it has a little bit of almost like a green undertone as well. Super pretty. More of a unique shade for sure. So I'm gonna take strip. I'm just gonna put a couple into the crease just so I can start to build up some intensity, so we can actually really cut it out and see the contrast between the crease and the stamp. Ooh, me gusta. Why am I nervous? I think it's because I know it's a fake that I'm nervous. I really shouldn't be filming this video because it's fake. I really shouldn't be giving in that bitch no fucking credit. At least you know the original is, and I'll be linking the original, not the fucking big ass bitch. The fuck? They fucking duped me, bitch. They really got me. I had no idea it was fake until I just looked it up right now and researched it. I just bought it thinking, oh my god, I finally found it, because I've been trying to find it for so long. I think that if the fake works, we're gonna know that the real one works. So I think it's still for research purposes. This is still for the research purposes. We're gonna take the shade Butt Naked. It's like a chocolatey, beautiful brown. Start to build up that color. This makeup has to turn out pretty, you guys, because I'm going to an event after this. So if it doesn't work, we're not gonna say it's not gonna work. It's going to work. PSD shadows are amazing, just so we're all aware. Laura Lee did that. Laura Lee did motherfucking that. Love her so much. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. We're starting to build up the color. So now that we built it up, we have some good deepness into the crease. We have shit going on. They look fucking good. Okay, guys, so basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do our low-cut crease. Oh, fuck. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. I'm gonna be taking Tarte Shape Tape, because that's what he recommends. I saw on his Instagram that he uses that. I'm gonna do my left first. I'm gonna take this side, and I'm gonna paint her like one of my French girls. No, I'm gonna take half Tarte Shape Tape on the side right here. Half of it, but really saturate the brush. Applicator. It's adorable. It's adorable. The moment of truth. The moment of truth. Let me zoom in the camera a little bit for you guys to see a little bit better. Tarte Shape Tape is on the eye, and I'm like really excited. You know what I mean? Like ASMR. I'm really excited. This is daunting. I'm daunted. I'm scared. Don't fuck up. Okay, I'm just gonna tilt my head back. Put it against. Okay, hold on. I'm scared. Sorry. I'm just gonna hold it there. Oh my goodness. Hey, it kind of worked. Oh my god, I totally would have worked if I had wiped the sides off. Fucking idiot. Ah! What the fuck? What just happened? See, if I had the real one, that probably wouldn't have happened. Okay, but holy shit, that worked. Holy fuck. That totally worked. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my little concealer brush I usually use for like my brow, and I'm just gonna blend the edges of it, do our little half cut crease, and just to make sure everything looks clean. But that totally worked. Oh my god. Also, the real one, I noticed it comes with more sizes, so that's already a reason to use the fucking real one. Even the fake one worked. Why am I so shook at this? I don't know. It just made it so much easier. Like, actually living 1,000 lives right now. Did the crease go up a little high? It did. It went a little high. All good. And now let's go ahead and apply some like glitter or something. Ew, it's just so annoying that I like got a fake one because it keeps popping off. I can just super glue it. I'll be fine. We're gonna take one of Laura's little glitters. We're gonna take Jaybird. We're gonna rub that all over. And I'm just packing on the shadow Jaybird. Oh, fuck. This is way too exciting. I don't know why I'm so excited about this. I apologize. Look how pigmented Laura's shadows are. What the fuck? Go Laura Lee. Go Laura Lee. That's my fucking best friend right there. And if it doesn't work with the shadows, we can just use an actual glitter and we should be okay. So let's go and try it with this. We did a half. We're gonna take a shadow. Oh my gosh. That fucking worked, bro. No puedo. No puedo. I'm actually more excited about this than I thought I was gonna be. I'm not gonna lie. Let's go ahead and go in again. Like, are you serious? I mean, I have to fill it in a little bit with my own like finger. I'll do that over here on the side. But girl, I'll just do a little tap, tap, tap. I love it. So now we're gonna do the other side with the stamp and see how the stamp works. And let's see. Honestly, you guys, this could be a really cool thing for a lot of you guys who want to do a cut crease but don't really know how to achieve it. This could be like a really cool thing. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit messy, I'm not gonna lie. Other side next, the right side. This would be so much easier if you did it on someone else, by the way. This would be 10 times easier if you did it on someone else. But it's only me in this house right now. And if Nick was here, I would make him do it. But we don't got Nick right now. He's eating sushi with my fucking mom. And I was napping. Okay, that one was a little bit more floppy, I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, you don't have to press it that hard. I think I was pressing it too hard. Still worked pretty fucking good. Like, honestly. Also, I might have used too much concealer, which is very possible. I'm still gagged that this even works. Like, honestly, I'm gagged. It's not, like, perfect. It wasn't as good as I did on this side, but it looks pretty good. Let me take my little concealer brush and see if I can clean this on up. I will say that this made it a lot faster instead of having to go etch by etch and, like, kind of etch it out. Like, that looks pretty fucking good. I'm not even gonna lie. That looks pretty fucking good to me. Hey, you got the deep voice coming out because I'm excited. Glitter time. Okay, next one we have Jaybird on the right here. We have Jaybird on. Oh, that's a beautiful color. It just works. It just fucking works, bro. Do it again. I'm doing it again. Look at that. Look at that. And now I just take the rest of Jaybird and I just put it basically with my finger in the areas I don't really need to be as like concentrated in, like just more freely. Oh my heck. Like this fucking work. And honestly, not to sound like a bitch, but I expected it not to work. Because I don't know, I tend to be pretty skeptical about these things, yo. Like, I'm always kind of like, are you gonna work or no? But this totally worked. Okay, guys, so what do we think of today's video? Do we think that this worked? Do we think of the product? Do we think that it was a yes or no? Honestly, I'm gonna say this was a yes. I really wish I had bought the real one, 100%. I really wish I did. I had no idea that I hadn't even bought the fake one. Like, these fakes out here are getting too real. Like, they look too good. It confuses me, and it's not fair. Honestly, I thought it worked fantastically. I'm sure the original one would have worked even better than this did, but it looks so cool. I think it actually was so much easier to use than I thought it was gonna be. It takes a little bit more time when it comes to like actually like applying stuff onto it, putting it onto your eye, and like making sure that you like put it onto the right spot. It's a little bit harder to do on yourself. I bet on someone else it would be so much easier, but honestly it turned out so fucking cool and I would recommend it. Anyways, you guys, that's it for today's video, and I'm honestly blown away. Now I want to get the real one that has like adjustable sizes and things like that. Huge shout out to Jack for even creating this product. Honestly, it's so innovative and it's so unique and it's so different, and honestly I really liked it. I think you did an amazing job, and I think that people would be so happy to use this. It's actually so practical and it works fantastically, and go you. That's amazing. You already have people like trying to dupe you. That's saying something. I mean, I got fucking duped. Had no idea that this wasn't yours. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had an amazing time doing this. I'm gonna leave the original creator of this link down below on his site to see if you guys can buy it. I don't know, it's a little confusing for me. I can't really navigate the site like the Brazilian site. I don't fucking know. I don't know how to make it work. I have no idea. But anyway, I'm going to leave it linked for you guys just in case you guys want to check it out and see who the original creator of this is. Get it from the original creator. Anyway, you guys, have a great night or day wherever you guys are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys. I love you. Mwah. Can I clap fast? Oh, I'm gonna faint. Fuck me. Okay. Oh, my hair look, is it fucked? Am I a little too little? It's too little, isn't it? It's fine. We'll be fine. It's the one that I've been waiting for. It's the one. Oh, my hack. Oh, my fucking hack. Why is this so fun? Hmm? Why is this so fun? I feel like I'm fucking Frankenstein. Like, I really would. Like, this is totally worth it. What? Dame. Dame uno. Why are you giving me a Cadbury cream egg right now? You know I want a fucking all-carb diet!